Welcome back to the video. This is technically my first Roblox video, and, well, we're playing B-Swarm. So we're going to claim our hive, and I think today we are going to complete some quests from the Black Bear. Now, the Black Bear, I don't know. He's just a little easy on his quests, if you want to say so yourself. If you do play this game, of course. If you don't play this game, welcome to a B-Swarm video. B-Swarm is quite a game. It is literally what the name of the game is, technically. And technically, you know, it is easier and stuff if you just go along with the game and not do whatever the heck you want. Because, you know, it's just easier. So, right now we are collecting pollen from Spider Field. As you can see.
Nicky! You're fucking losing it!
You're losing it, Tex?
Anyway, for the quest, we are doing Black Bear's quest. Collecting Cliffside. That is, collecting Cliffside. Now, I will be posting once a day. Perhaps once a week if I'm busy. But I'm gonna more than likely do it once a day. And it'll probably just be Roblox and stuff. Because, I don't know. Anyways, back to the quests. Okay, I'm back. I've got the Spider Field done. And now we're gonna move on to the Bamboo Field.
Yeah. What you got?
Don't mind rhino beetles because they're idiots. So get off of me. I think I'm gonna defeat the king beetle. I think. I don't know, I might. Anyways, as I was saying, the Bamboo Field is basically just a field that, it's a blue field, actually. It's just a blue field that is pretty basic. It's in the 5 spot. I'm gonna go over to the King Beetle Field, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do the King Beetle. I'm gonna do the King Beetle. Let's hope this works again. Okay. He's level 7. Ezekiel. Oh no! I'm gonna die, and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I died. Dang it. What? I see your person. Now you're. Why am I in the ground? Okay, they're recovering. They're recovering. Oh. What is going on? Basically, that's about it. Anyways, I hope